होल सिटी जॉब यूट्यूब चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। तो हार्टोन का ये 5वां सेट रहेगा, प्रैक्टिस सेट। तो ये पहला क्वेश्चन है, ए कंप्यूटर असिस्टेड मेथड फॉर द रिकॉर्डिंग एंड एनालाइजिंग ऑफ एग्जिस्टिंग और हाइपोथेटिकल सिस्टम्स इज द टफलो। ऑप्शन 2, व्हाट डिफरेंसेस डज द फिफ्थ जनरेशन कंप्यूटर हैव फ्रॉम अदर जनरेशन कंप्यूटर्स। तो टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट है। Which of the following computer language is used for artificial intelligence? तो Prolog, the tracks on a disk which can be accessed without repositioning the RW heads is Cylinder. Macros are used to perform tasks such as all of the above. Which part interprets program instructions and initiate control operations? Control unit. The time required for the fetching and execution of one simple machine instructions is CPU cycle. Macro design window consists of both A and B. Which pane is known as argument pane? तो bottom pane. The time for which a piece of equipment operates is called effective time. Binary numbers need more places for counting because binary base is small. Which one of this macro changes the cursor to the Windows busy pointer hourglass? Which one operator is used within null operator? Is तो बराबर लेन और ये ब्रैकेट। तीसरा ऑप्शन 8, बराबर एल केस। तो तीसरा ऑप्शन 16। ये फॉर्मेट दिया हुआ है तो इसके हिसाब से आपको बताना, तो तीसरा ऑप्शन रहेगा। Which access method is used for obtaining a record from a cassette tape? Sequential. Any type of storage that is used for holding information between steps in its processing is intermediate storage. बराबर now will returns both A and B. Which keystroke is used to replace existing value with default? Control plus Alt plus space. Which keystroke is used to insert line break in text and memo fields? Option 2, Control plus Enter. A program component that allows structuring of a program is in an unusual way is known as coroutine. The radian of a number system is equals the number of its distinct counting digit. In match drop down list, which option is default? Whole world. To reduce the numeric field, which property is required to be reduced? Both A and B. Which one of the field cannot be resized? Date. The section of the CPU that selects, interprets and sees to execution of programs instructions. Control unit. Which type of system puts the user into direct conversation with the computer through a keyboard? Interactive computer. The term referring to evacuating the content of some part of the machine is known as dump. The double filled data type contain how many decimal places? 15. Which one user defined format symbol is not used in text and memo data type? तो 4 ऑप्शन। A single packet on a data link is known as frame. The process of communicating with a file from a terminal is interrogation. 2 ऑप्शन। The storage size of auto member data type is 4 बाइट। इन एक्सेल द इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ ए रो एंड कॉलम इज कॉल्ड सेल। द combination of the column letter and row number for a cell in a Excel worksheet is called a cell reference. A common boundary between two systems is called interface. The examination and changing of single bits or small groups of bits within a word is called bit manipulation. Which computer has been designed to be as compact as possible? Microcomputer. A collection of worksheet is called workbook. तो द बराबर टुडे फंक्शन एंटर द करंट सिस्टम डेट ओनली। रेफरेंस दैट चेंज automatically when you copy them to a new cell are called relative reference. Which among the following is not a payment card technology? तो fleet card. What is the full form of ADSL? तो C option. Which of the following device is a volatile storage? RAM. What is the use of digitizer as an input device? To convert graphic and एक option. What kind of operations can a computer carry out? Option A arithmetic and logical. Which of the following includes logic operations? All of the above. Which of the following is not valid data type in MS Excel? तो character. Where are cookies stored? तो on the client. तो ये थे प्रैक्टिस सेट के क्वेश्चन पाँच प्रैक्टिस सेट। अभी जो है छठे प्रैक्टिस सेट की वीडियो जल्दी बनाऊंगा। तो मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो के अंदर।